Yo, what's good, y'all? This your boy Michi, your editor's favorite editor. Your plug for post-production and peace. Today we ain't coloring yet, we ain't mixing. We tuning your whole system up so your edits stop acting like it's running off of borrowed Wi-Fi. Part 1, update the NVIDIA Studio Driver. NVIDIA Studio Drivers are specifically optimized and tested for Adobe, DaVinci Resolve, Blender, Unreal, Maya, and all other creative softwares. They are more stable than game-ready drivers for editing, Okay, so here's what we need to do in Windows. We need to go to NVIDIA app. Most of the times it's in recent. Right now, you can type it in if you'd like. You go to NVIDIA app. Once you do that, you go to your right side and go to drivers. Once you go to drivers, you go to at the top and make sure that it says Studio Driver, not Game Ready Driver, okay? Click on the Studio Driver and install it. Now, right now, mine is reinstalled. Mine says to reinstall it. For this video purpose, I will click reinstall to show you exactly what you need to do. Everything needs to be checked. Also, clean installation is recommended. I would rather do that than anything else, okay? Go to clean installation and hit continue. Now, unfortunately, I won't hit continue at this moment, but that's how you do it. Part 2, disable startup apps. Disabling startup apps in Windows does not uninstall anything and cannot damage your system. It simply stops unnecessary background apps from starting automatically. Okay, now what you need to do is go to your taskbar and hit Task Manager. Once you hit Task Manager, you'll see these lists on the left side and go to Startup Apps. Once you go to Startup Apps, you can go over here to Status. Go to Status and go to Enable or Disable. Unfortunately, right now it says Enable for all of the majority of my apps that's open right now. Some of the safest things that you can go and disable, like Spotify, Discord, Stream, Epic, OneDrive, RGB apps, game launchers, updater, helpers, blah, 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 blah. Now, these are the apps you do not mess with, like NVIDIA, AMD, audio drivers, Windows security, anything Microsoft or system level. Turning off these apps, though, frees up RAM and CPU, equals smoother editing. The steps always safe when done correctly. Part 3, hardware acceleration GPU scheduling. The setting allows the GPU to handle more workload directly. Microsoft, NVIDIA, and AMD all confirm this improves performance in many cases. Okay, what you need to do is go to your startup, go to your settings on the gear. I want you to load display. Load up display, scroll down, go to graphics. Once you go to graphics, go to change default graphic settings. Now, I already have mine on. You click this on. Once you click this on, then that's it. True fact about this setting though, it's stable, it's safe. It helps with DaVinci Resolve. It helps with Premiere Pro, H.264, H.265 playback. It also helps with GPU and loading balance. Now, Microsoft officially recommends this for PCs. You should too. Part 4, display setup. 10-bit versus 8-bit. Pure facts. 10-bit does not make you a better editor. It simply reduces banding and gives you smoother gradients if your computer supports it. If your monitor can't handle 10-bit, don't panic. Rec 709 Gamma 2.4 still works perfectly in 8-bit. Most content on YouTube, TVs, TikTok, it's all 8-bit anyway. Facts though, you can edit professionally in 8-bit. You can deliver perfectly in Rec 709 Gamma 2.4. Your scopes will still keep your colors accurate regardless. This is safe, correct, and industry standard. All right, your system should be running smoother now. Playback clean, fans quiet, and no more random shutters sneaking up on you. If your setup felt slow before, yeah, we just put it through boot camp.
He's a pure G.
So if you want to learn more, hit that next video. Don't be having me teaching you one step while your export's still looking like it was filmed on the Boost mobile phone. But if you feel like you picked up a trick or two, or you just rocking with me on how I explain things, hit that like button and subscribe. Not because you're supposed to, but because you know you actually learned something today. I'll see you in episode 2. We jumping straight into color management, so your footage stops looking like 5 different cameras beefing in the same timeline. Go ahead. Click in. I'll be waiting. Meet you, boy.